They just picked him up without documents, without warrants, or any form of legal documents. They just came in forcefully. They took him out forcefully. And right now, as we speak, he is still in the immigration building in Timor-Leste, being held illegally by the immigration officers, also surrounded by Timorese police.
Kinwestiyon ng kampo ni dating Negros Oriental 3rd District Representative Arnulfo Arniteves Jr. ang pag-aresto sa kanya ng otoridad sa Timor-Leste kagabi.
Kine-question po sa mga hukuman ng Timor-Leste sa pamamagitan ng ilang petisyon. Kasama na po ang petition for habeas corpus. Kung i-grant po yung writ, dadalhin po sa hukuman si Ginoong Teves at doon po ay kailangang makumbinsi ng mga authorities na umaresto kay Ginoong Teves kung bakit siya inaresto. What is the basis for his detention? At kung siya ay i-deport, what will be the basis for his deportation?